Okay, now we're going to add the handle. The first thing you want to do is decide where your handle is going to attach at both the top and the bottom. I want mine to be about right here. Again, you have to score and slip, which you can add slip, which is thin clay, or you can just make your own by cutting and slurrying it together, and that makes slip right there on the pot, which is what I do. And you're just going to get that nice and gooey where the top of the handle is going to go. Then you want to go in a straight line and decide and give that a little bit too. Then you want to give some scoring and slipping to the edge of your handle. And then you'll push that pretty hard and kind of smooth some clay down towards the pot. And just push that in all the way around, especially on the top, because you're going to get a lot of stress right there when you start pulling the handle. And you'll pull it off if you don't make sure and get that connection secure. So now we've got a secure connection for the handle, and we can start to pull it.